Your thanks to yourself that's rising for showing up for you, for taking a moment to make yourself. Everything that we do today is with grace. Really take your time with every movement and with every breath. Gentle start to the day. As you're seated onto the earth, bring your awareness to your spine, making sure that you're sitting up nice and tall. Ears are aligned with your shoulders. Your pelvis is tucked. Bringing awareness to your alignment. Sitting nice and tall allows for a clear flow of energy through your vessel. So with every inhale and exhale, imagine your breath, your life words flowing through you, breaking up any tension, releasing any discomfort with the power of your breath and the power of visualization. Go ahead and extend your arms up into the sky. The arms are facing. Reach up as you're rooted onto the earth. And slowly exhale, releasing your arms or your wings down to your sides. Breathe. Over time, raise those arms up. Inhaling, exhale, release. Inhale, exhale. Go ahead and return to your normal breath. To bring awareness to the breathing that we are doing. On the inhales, your abdomen is expanding. And as you exhale through your nose, your belly button is contracting towards your spine. So inhaling, feel your lower abdomen expand. And on the exhale, it goes in, contract. Time, inhale, expansion, exhale, contract. So, continue breathe. Practicing inhalation and exhalation, feeling that sensation and any other sensations within your vessel. As you're breathing, bring your awareness to your lower extremities, your root. Your feet are what keep you connected to the earth. Your feet are what touches the earth every day. Your feet are energy centers. Imagine that healing energy flowing through your feet up to your legs and knees, thighs, and that energy's flowing on to your reproductive area, your navel, your solar plexus, your inner sun, your internal organs who do so much for you. Elimination, releasing to the heart space. I receive love. I am love. I give love. I lead with love in all that I do. And when up that energy's flowing through our throat chakra, I speak truth, speak words of healing and peace, power. That energy is flowing through your face, your eye, to your first eye. I am aware and awakening. I see things for what they are. I allow my intuition to guide me. Run up to your crown, and if she's floating up, imagine coming out center of your crown. I know I am connected with the higher force. I am connected to my higher self. Allow that energy to just resonate with every cell within your body. Embrace the silence. Every inhale, you're inviting all of that which you want to align with. And with every exhale, you're releasing what no longer serves you. Power, breath. Slow, rhythmic flow, inhaling and exhaling, transforming your body, anything stagnant, peace, now see, we take four more deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your nose with grace and control at your own pace. I trust in my ability to heal myself in all aspects and across all timelines. I affirm that karmic debris is cleared and that my energy flows without disruption. I release myself from all worldly attachments. When you're ready, come back into the moon, focus to yourself, out, take this renewed energy into your week, and I send my love down to you. I shall.